Hey everybody, today we are going to do a recipe using our home canned chili. You can use your canned cheese, your freeze-dried cheese, your home canned cheese, frozen cheese, whatever cheese you may have, or no cheese at all. We're going to use some hot dogs, some Pillsbury, or well, some crescent rolls from Aldi. You could probably do it with make some Bisquick or biscuit dough, homemade biscuit dough, roll them up in that. So I'm going to use some cheese I have in the refrigerator, but I just want to show you some options that you can use from your prepper pantry. You can use some cheddar cheese that are in slices. So I will use this cutting board, and first we are going to add our chili, and this, by the way, is from 2016. This is a no bean chili. You can use any kind of chili you want. You can use your canned Hormel chilies or whatever brand you have, your home canned chilies, or you can whip some up real fast. So we're going to put this in the bottom of the casserole. This is a chili cheese dog chili bake. Cheese dog chili bake, however you want to call it. We'll see what I put in the title. So let me open my stuff. Do you all hate opening these cans? I'm so grateful I've never had one explode in the car. I've seen those videos. Okay. Let's make sure you're seeing everything here. Unroll the dough. I'm hoping 6 will fit in there. That'll be 2 for each of us for dinner and 2 for him for lunch. His lunches are whatever we have for dinner the night before. And then if there's not enough, he takes a jar of soup or something. He's already taken a jar of the chicken noodle soup and said it was really good. I think he took a couple actually. Let me open my wieners. You can use any flavor cheese you like on your chili dog, or like I said, you don't even have to use cheese. My prepping at this point in time is stocking the freezer. I'm not necessarily preparing for power outages or whatever. We will get some of our cheese. Somebody wanted me to pan out more, and it's just really hard when you're filming and cooking to see what you have going on camera. So I'm going to slice the cheese to pieces like that, about the size of your hot dog. So I have my cheeses. we're going to take a hot dog and roll it up. We're going to put it in our casserole. And it's that easy peasy. This is really inexpensive. I know a lot of people are struggling right now, so this will be a hearty filling meal. It doesn't cost you a lot. I hope you all are doing well, staying healthy, staying safe. Might need to cram these closer in there than I want to, but I don't need a, what is it, 9 by 13 pan of this. I think I can get 2 more in there. And this is just showing you another way you can use your canned and stockpiled food. I got a Walmart.com order with a lot of dry goods that I can put on the shelf in case there's a flour issue again or anything like that. So there we have it. We're going to put these, I'm going to do them in the toaster oven. If you don't have a toaster oven, think about getting one of those. It saves a lot of electricity. I can fit my cast iron skillet in there for cornbread and things like that. It's faster and it's just handy. I didn't think I'd use it so much, but I do. So I'm going to put this in the toaster oven at 400 degrees until it's golden brown and bubbly, and I will see you when these are coming out. And if you wanted to, you could sprinkle cheese on top of that, or onion on top of the chili, and you could just doctor it up any way you want. So I'll see you when these are done. Okay, they're all done. Looks delish. Let's see what they taste like. I should have lowered the rack on my oven. And you can add as much chili as you want, or you can heat up an extra can of chili. I'm going to get some mustard. Or as my husband says, mustard. Thinks he's being funny. That's always a lovely sound on camera, isn't it? And like I said, you could add cheese on top if you wanted to. Let me see. Let's see, and these are smoking hot because they just came out of the oven. Those are really good, you guys. So give that a try. I think it'll be a family pleaser. Sorry, talking with my mouth full. So if you have any questions, post them down below. work with what you got in your pantry and your freezer, can create some good stuff. So I will see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.